In this video, we'll see together grammatical homonyms, and more precisely, et. So when we're talking about grammatical homonyms, we're talking about words or letters or endings that will be written differently but pronounced the same way. Et. 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 Let's have an example now. J'ai parlé avec son oncle. J'ai parlé avec son oncle. So in that situation, as you can see, this is the passé composé form of the verb parler. And for the passé composé form of parler, we use the auxiliary avoir here, and then we use parler in the past participle form. And the past participle of parler will be with this accent aigu here, accent aigu parler. And there are many persons who will make the mistake and they will put this er form here instead of accent aigu, just because phonetically it is exactly the same way. And this is the risk about it, because it sounds the same, then certain people make some typos, and this is one major type of typo that people tend to make. Je voudrais parler avec toi. Je voudrais parler avec toi. In that situation, as you can see, the first verb is je voudrais, then after that the second verb should be in the infinitive form, as it is here, a verb from the first group, parler. So they sound exactly the same. This one, parler, and this one, parler, but as you can see, they're totally different. This one is the past participle, and this one is the infinitive of the verb parler. J'ai parlé avec son oncle, je voudrais parler avec toi. Et. Vous parlez anglais? Vous parlez anglais? So in that situation, as you can see, the verb is parler, so the infinitive that we had previously. We conjugate it for the second person of the plural here in the present tense, and the ending is ez. Voilà. And then you pronounce it parler. So phonetically, it is exactly the same form as the infinitive, but you need to write it like that. Vous parlez. Il aime parler avec sa sœur. Il aime parler avec sa sœur. So as you can see here, parler, second verb, the first one is aimer, so this one is conjugated in the third person of the singular, il aime, then the second verb should be in the infinitive, and this is the case here, parler, er. But as I told you, parler like that or then parler like that are pronounced the same way. So you really need to be careful about how to write them properly, and keep in mind that you will pronounce them exactly the same way. Vous parlez anglais? Il aime parler avec sa sœur.